Are your crochet edges looking like this? Here's the mistake that's causing it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Knit Crafts. If your crochet project keeps getting wider, narrower, or have an even edge, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a simple technique that helps keep your edges nice and straight when working with single crochet rows and double crochet rows. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using a 4mm hook for this DK yarn, but you can check on your label. It usually says what hook size they recommend for that particular yarn you are going to be using. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I will be chaining any number of chains, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now I'm going to fast forward it because I know it will be very boring to just watch me chain. So I'm going to fast forward the video a little. So now I'm done. I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 2 loops on my hook. So that's a single crochet done. So we're going to carry on placing single crochets into each chain all the way to the end. Now I am done, and this is how your work should be looking like so far. So when you reach the end of the row, many patterns will tell you to chain 1 and turn your work and then start crocheting. The problem is that beginners often get confused about where to place the first stitch. So after chaining 1 and turn, you can see this very first stitch here. This is where we are going to place our first single crochets. So instead of skipping this stitch, insert your hook into that very first stitch, and then you're going to do a single crochet. So as you can see, if you look on the top, it looks like a V, right? If you tilt a little bit, you'll see it looks like a V right there. Underneath the V, that's where you insert your hook. So that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to insert our hook into that stitch under the V shape. As you can see, our hook is under that, and then we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all through 2 loops, and that's 1 single crochet done. Now continue working, placing 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way across. As you crochet, try counting your stitches if you're a beginner. This helps make sure that you are not accidentally adding or losing stitches. I'm going to continue working across the row. When I reach to the end, I'm going to place a single crochet into that very last stitch. So this last stitch is another place where beginners often make mistakes. Missing that last stitch can cause your project to become narrower and narrower. So once you have worked the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Again, look for that very first stitch right next to your turning chain. Insert your hook into that very first stitch, work single crochet, then continue across the row. And that's it. The secret to straighter edges is consistency. Each time you turn, chain 1, turn, place your first single crochet into the very first stitch. Don't forget the last stitch at the end of the row. If you keep going, doing this row after row, your edges will stay much straighter and your stitch count will remain the same. If you're a beginner, practice this technique on a small swatch first. After a few rows, you will start noticing a huge difference in your crochet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow Crochet Knit Crafts for more crochet tips and tutorials. And that's it. Follow for more.